Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Essential oils are concentrated oils derived from plants. Several types of oils are produced from citrus species and medicinal herbs. Today we are going to discuss about orange essential oil. It is derived from the rind of sweet orange by the method of steam distillation or cold pressing. For thousands of years, orange oils have been used in traditional medicinal applications for many health concerns. Main constituents of orange oil are as below. Have you ever noticed the slight amount of oil that leaches out when cut into an orange or gested its skin to use the outer peel in recipes? The strong taste and aroma that comes from the oils are exactly what's concentrated in the orange essential oil. Let us discuss the benefits of orange essential oil. It has many wonderful properties like antifungal properties, antiviral properties, anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial properties, anticonvulsant properties. It is rich in antioxidants, antispasmodic properties and antidepressant properties. Amazing! There are so many benefits of orange essential oil. Let's study them in detail. It enhances immunity. Limonene that is present in orange oil is a powerful defender against oxidative stress. It gives a boost to your immunity. It cheers up and uplifts the mood. Orange essential oil has a direct effect on the olfactory system of the brain that quickly evokes emotional responses. Orange oil is both uplifting and calming, making it a great scent for brightening your mood in the morning or calming your nerves after a long day. It can eliminate airborne bacteria. Get glowing skin. It helps in maintaining appearance and texture of the skin by promoting clarity, radiance and smoothness. Orange essential oil is also very beneficial for fighting signs of aging like wrinkles and dark spots since it promotes the production of collagen. It slows the rate of skin damage experienced from UV light exposure, pollution and toxicity due to high antioxidants power. Orange oil is effective at fighting bacteria and inflammation on the skin that lead to acne. It is a perfect home remedy for acne. Redness, pain and swelling from acne should also improve. Increases blood flow. This oil is a natural remedy for high blood pressure and is capable of improving blood flow and fighting hypertension, some of the biggest risk factors for heart disease. It gives relief to pain. If you suffer from muscle, bone or joint pain, orange oil can help turn off inflammatory responses that increase swelling in tissue, making it a natural remedy for bone and joint pain. It relieves discomforts associated with inflammation, headaches and cramps. It reduces incidence of painful and reflexive muscle contractions. It gives relief to stress. It's great essential oil for balancing hormones since it can help turn off reactions from stress hormones like cortisol. It boosts digestion. As an anti-inflammatory, relaxant and circulation enhancer, orange oil can promote better digestion and ease abdominal pain, cramps or constipation. It is a mild diuretic. It helps in eliminating bodily toxins including excess salt and fluids. Let us see how we can use this very beautiful and beneficial oil in our routine. You can use orange essential oil through aromatherapy, that is inhalation, or topical application, or you can ingest it and use it. You can diffuse the oil in your home using a diffuser or inhale the oil directly. To make a natural room freshener, put few drops of oil along with water in a spray bottle. Mix 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of pure honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 to 15 drops of orange oil and 2 capsules of probiotic. Apply it to your acne and see the magic. You can add few drops of essential oil to a warm bath lotion, or body wash. Massage along with the carrier oil on abdominal area to boost digestion, or massage on swollen joints or painful areas to get relief. Combine it with tea tree essential oil and mix these two with cold pressed coconut oil. Apply on skin to get radiant look. Dilute it with water and use it as mouthwash. Mix it with coconut oil and you can use it for oil pulling. In a glass of juice, smoothie or water, add 1 drop of orange oil. Consume it to enhance immunity, boost digestion and improve vitamin C level. All the benefits of orange essential oil can only be reaped if the oil is pure and unadulterated. Let us learn how we can check the purity of orange essential oil. Firstly, check the label for scientific name. Secondly, verify product purity. You should be buying 100% orange essential oil. Check label. Thirdly, choose dark bottles. Essential oil can be damaged by sunlight and dark bottles help prevent this. It is time to tell you about my favorite orange essential oil, and it is Core and Pure oil. So it is a grade A oil and it is the purest of all. It is the best orange essential oil I have ever used and I highly recommend it. It is extracted by the process of steam distillation, which makes it very good and it has great aroma. It is very refreshing. You must give it a try. Now, the senior member of Core and Pure team, Miss Priyanka Sachdeva, will tell us more about this product.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Core and Pure. Core and Pure is an essential oils and product company. We provide 100% natural, pure and potent essential oils and product for beauty, health and wellness purposes. It can be used in all walks of life, and our motto is to provide our customers 100% pure thing which is lacking there in the market, and we are manufacturing our products under Ayurvedic drug category. Normally, whatever the oil we source from directly from the farmers and the authorized providers, so that we can ensure that we are providing 100% pure products to the customers. And then after getting these oils, we blend depending upon the purposes what we have to make the product for, and the single oils are also there. So normally these oils are steam distilled oils, and from that only we manufacture the products.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. This is Dietitian Priya Mohan signing off. Always remember to keep your health first.